Oh, hello, Papa.
Hey guys, it's Jade here. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make my Ayurvedic hair oil. This is going to be first in a series of Ayurvedic hair treatments, DIY Ayurvedic hair treatments that I'm going to be trying on my hair to see how it improves my hair and like health and length of my hair basically. So for anyone that was wondering what Ayurveda means, Ayurveda just literally translates to the science of life. So this means using natural and herbal treatment in your life, and in case of today's video, in your hair. So it's not really anything complex, so don't be scared. So to make this oil, we're going to need Amla powder, Brahmi powder, Bhringaraj oil, dried rosemary, dried hibiscus flower, olive oil, Amla oil, essential oils of your choice, almond oil, and fenugreek seeds. You don't have to use the same carrier oils that I use, but those are the oils that work for my hair. You can substitute with like castor oil or coconut oil or any other oils that work for you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the double boiler method where I just have a pot of water and then a bowl on top of it so we can infuse all the herbs, all the powders and the oils together. Okay, so I initially didn't want to make as much oil as the recipe called for, but I think I ended up getting there anyways. So if you just want to see the amounts that I require for the recipe, you can click down below in the description box and you will see the recipe. While you're down there, please move over to the subscribe button. If it's red, click on it, please and thank you. I would really appreciate that. Join my family in the little corner of the universe of YouTube over here, okay? Please, thank you. Okay. So like I said before, I didn't want to make as much as the recipe called for initially, but then I ended up getting there. So I realized that I didn't have enough oils in the mixture, so I just whipped out my wild growth oil and just added some of that to the recipe. So I let the mixture simmer for about 15 to 25 minutes and I stir occasionally. After I let it cool down, I transfer the mixture to a jar where I let it infuse for a few more days. Don't forget to add essential oils to your mixture. As the mixture infuses in the jar, you notice that the powders and the other like seeds and herbs have settled to the bottom. So every few days you want to stir it and make sure that everything is like mixing together again, just to help it infuse all the more. Ideally, I should be infusing this in the sunlight, but the way my room is set up, yeah, I think putting it up there was the best thing. You can infuse this mixture for as long as you want. I only did about a week, but after infusing it, it's time to drain all the herbs and all the powders out of the oil mixture. You don't have to do this part, but I'm just like extra, and I just wanted to get any like particles that might be in there out, so I used a wig cap to like strain the whole thing for one last time before I store it. Okay guys, so I transfer my oil to an applicator bottle, and that's pretty much it for how I make my Ayurvedic hair oil. If you guys want to double or triple the recipe, that's totally fine. Go ahead and do that. I really just wanted a small batch, which is why it ended up looking as small as it did. But anyways, I'll be sharing updates on how this treatment is working for me, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and also comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.